What to do? All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and I'm back today with a super special 2026 Chanel bag video review. Into it, I'll give you guys a little hint. Can you guys guess what bag this is? What are the girlies wearing? Are we into the same old classics, or is we trying to step up the game? Okay, or are we trying to step it up a little bit? So can you guys guess? Put it down in the comments below if you guys guess this bag. So pause the video. Comment down below what bag you think this is. This time, this bag is from Coeebags. Okay, this is a bougie on a budget bag, and it was gifted to me. So I want to shout out Coeebags. Thank you so much for working with me on today's video. So of course, as always with this company, shipping communication is always on point. Shipping was very fast, got to me very quickly. Classic black Chanel magnetic box, dust bag in there. So you guys know I always show you that because, as you guys can see, I like to keep my boxes. I'm gonna see if I could put some sound effects, but guys, look at this stunning bag. Just look at it. Look at her in all her glory. You guys know I like to come on here and show you guys how exactly just how your bag comes. Actually, this is the Chanel 2025 bag in the small size. So originally I did want the mini, but I saw a couple bag reviews on the different sizes, and I was like, let me try and see what the small size is, because even though I am a petite girly, I really want to kind of get out of the habit of thinking that some bags are just gonna look too big on my frame, because I do love this silhouette of bag in the bigger sizes, but this small size is so stunning. So I just love this silver with the gold hardware combination. It is so beautiful. So. I really wanted the one that is not like the chromed out kind of vibe, but I wanted something that still had a nice reflection anytime the light hit it, and this one is perfect. And I really wanted to try this bag out because to me it's definitely giving a 90s hobo style bucket type of bag, just in a more fresh and modern vibe. Lock, and that's how you're able to adjust your bag, and it is just so stunning. I still love the logo, okay, because we all like a little logo vibe once in a while. So if you don't know, it does come with the 2 pockets on the side, and why I really opted for the small size is because if you have a Pro Max iPhone like myself, I have the 14, but your phone can definitely fit in this side pocket, so as you guys can see. And look at how easy that is just to close back. It literally closes on its own. So one on this side, one on the other side, and you do get that inner back pocket right there in the back. And I'll show you guys all the little detailing. Like, look at that, you guys. Like, this bag is just beautiful. I'm so glad that I opted for this color, because this is a color that you can obviously take into the summertime, which you guys can see my vibe right here today, and also the fall winter. Like, this color combo is definitely. So let's say you got your little cute glasses on for the day, you know, cute. You're gonna go out, take pictures, brunch, whatever the case may be. I do have my cute little original OG Chanel glasses case. So this is how the glasses fit. Super cute. See, I'm trying to match the vibes. Then real quick, I do have my key clay. So I do have chunky keys, so we could just throw that in there. My wallet fits perfectly. And I also wanted to show you guys a little notebook with a pen can fit. Super cute. We can also fit, and I put my AirPods in that little back pocket. So we got that. See if a full-size lotion can fit. It definitely can. Let's see. So we got a full-size lotion, our full glasses case, wallet, key clay, AirPods, lip gloss, everything that you may need for the day. So you got your water bottle with you. The water bottle can also be put at the top.
Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me.
Okay, super cute. Even with what I have on, you could put on super cute linen pants or some cute baggy jeans. So as always, thank you guys so much for coming back and catching all the fly glam, fly trendy tings. Okay, you guys know how we do it over here. Also, stay tuned to my shorts. You guys know I am pretty much posting daily or every other day on my shorts. Follow me on TikTok as well at LNK Style. I am also back up and running on TikTok. And yes, you guys, and also follow me on IG. But this is the stunning Chanel 2025 bag. Okay, see you in the next one.